Day 21 of Magical Practices, Magnificent Outcomes. We all want good outcomes for everything we do. But whenever we do something, we hope that it goes out well, it turns out okay, I'm going to need a lot of luck. Here, you're using the things of hoping something to have a good outcome, and you're not sure that the outcome will be good. But a life doesn't operates on luck or chances. It operates by the law of universe. And the law of universe has a mathematical way of doing everything to the finest possible degree which we can rely on. For example, the pilot doesn't take off a flight hoping that the laws of physics work effectively. He knows that the laws of physics will never fail. You don't go out in the day and think that the law of gravity will keep you on the ground and you will not float on the space. You know that the law of gravity will never fail because the law of universe speaks through mathematical and accurate results. If you want magnificent outcomes for your situations in your daily life, you have to use this law of attraction, which attracts all the magnificent outcomes. It depends on your thoughts and feelings and how you draw all the magnificent to you, and applying this gratitude's magical power to get the magnificent outcomes is the easiest and the simplest way to do. You just have to take 3 situations which are very important in your life for which you want magnificent outcomes, and you have to think and feel that you are going to get magnificent outcomes for these situations, and you are very much confident because you have the law of attraction to you. Your thoughts and feelings are going towards attracting the magnificent outcomes. For this, you have to write the 3 situations, and each time you have to imagine that all magnificent outcomes are going to arrive for this, and this situation has already happened and you achieved it. You have to say thank you for the magnificent outcome for bagging the dream job. Thank you for the magnificent outcome for having an outstanding result for my child. Thank you for the magnificent outcome for getting my medical report all clear and I'm fit and healthy. Secondly, you have to do this magnificent outcomes practice for 3 unexpected events. It could be your 3 phone calls, your 3 emails, or your 3 letters in the mail. And you have to practice this power of gratitude for getting magnificent outcomes before you do the event. It could be any event of your day. So you have to close your eyes briefly if you can and say and imagine that the magnificent outcome has already happened, and say thank you for the magnificent outcomes for getting the invitation to the summit where you are appointed as called as an chief guest. Thank you for bagging the biggest deal or the tender which you wanted. Thank you for the magnificent outcome for getting the biggest client for your business, which will have a big impact on your business. So, by practicing this magical power of gratitude for magnificent outcome, it will become a daily habit. And whenever you are thinking that you are hoping something to have good outcomes, you have to direct yourself to this magical practice of magnificent outcomes and start thinking that the magnificent outcome has already happened for you, and say the words thank you for the magnificent outcome. Do remember the day one practice. Count your blessings, write your 10 blessings and why you're grateful for those, and at the end of each sentence say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful as you can for those blessings. Before going to sleep, take the magic rock in your hand or just close your fingers and think of the best thing that has happened today and say thank you. For being a calm listener, thank you, thank you, thank you.